Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let me show you what a basic jazz box looks like. I'm going to do one to the right and one to the left. Starting with my weight on my left foot. I'm going to take my right foot and I'm going to cross over my left, take my left foot and go back, take my right foot to the side and step together, replacing my weight on my left foot. If I was to do a left jazz box, I would start with my weight on my right foot and do just exactly the opposite. Cross over, back, side, step. And now my weight's ready to go again with my left foot. Let me show you how to do a syncopated jazz box. I'm going to start off with one on my right, so my weight's on my left foot. It's going to look just like a regular jazz box, but I'm going to tap my toe on each step. So I'm going to do a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. To do one to the left, we're going to have our weight on our right foot and we're going to do a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Another variation to a jazz box includes a quarter turn. Let me show you what that looks like. Cross, back, side, quarter turn with a touch. Now if I did that with my left, I start with my weight on my right foot and I'm going to do a cross, back, side, quarter turn with a touch, the opposite direction. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.